Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by spreadsheets? Want to turn raw data into stunning visuals and insightful analysis? Join us for a step-by-step guide that will demystify Google Sheets. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Sheets full tutorial. So first of all, this is the homepage of workspace.google.com. So here we have various information and several things that you have to know about Google Sheets. And if you want to just go to Google Sheets, you will just dive into docs.google.com. As you can see, there are several things. For example, here if you want to select, or you can just start blank spreadsheets, or you can select, for example, the niche that you want. Here we have personal. For example, we have to-do list here. So this is how it looks. So you have just to write, for example, something here. As you can see, then if you do this, you click over here and it's done. As you can see, it's about the deal list. Then we have also other things like annual budget. For this one, we have here how to use this template. Get started by entering your starting balance in row 13 below. Then fill out the expenses and income tabs. Then feel free to name or delete categories in these tabs. Your changes will automatically be reflected on the summary tab, which shows an overview of your projected. Then if you come back, you'll find also other things like monthly budget. So as you can see, so if you want to get started, you click over here and you will find this page. So here we have it. Firstly, we have here just for example, you just, if you want to select all the templates, you click over here. And here we have, if you want to search the menus, also here, if you want to just delete this sheet, you can also add other sheets and you choose, for example, this one or this one. Here we have, if you want to select the sheet that you want. Also, we have here other options if you want to add a title here, and we have here if we want to put it in your drive. And here we have also other things like file here. Renew, open, import, make a copy, share. We have email if you want to rename also. Then you have edit here, as you can see, view, insert. You have format here, and we have data, tools, extension, help, and we have also other things like search. Here we have endo, redo, we have print here, paint format, and we have here the so format as currency, format as percent, decrease decimal places, and we have increase decimal places, more formats, and we have here font, decrease font size here, and we have also here bold. If you want italic also, then we have here strike, draw, text color, full color. We have borders here, as you can see. Then we have here also, if you want to select the alignment, then we have also here, if you want to top here, vertical align if you want to top, if you want a middle, or if you want a bottom. Then we have here also the position, and we have here more options. I will show you how. So if you want to select all these templates, you click over here. If you want to select only this one, you click over here. If you want to select this one, you click over here. So for example, I will write, for example, one. I will click for enter and I will pass to the next one. So if you want to just all these things come like that, you click over here and report like that, as you can see. And for example, this case, I will just click over here and I will just the sum of doors all this. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just click over here, and I will click over sum, and I will just select here, for example, like that, and I will click over enter. So here we have it. If you modify it, for example, this one 2 or this one 3, it will also modify it here. And for example, if I want this one also here, and for example, if you want to put this one clear, you click over here. If you want to delete it also, and also we have other things. For example, here we have italic, select, as you can see. Then we have other options here, like for example, I will write 1, I will write here 2, 3, and I will just write, for example, here 2, 2. And for example, the first one I wanted to do this sum. I'll just select all this one, then I will click for enter. And for example, the second one, I will just, for example, I want average here. I'll select, for example, all these templates and then click for average. And here we have it. Then we have also, I will set the option of can't, for example, here. We'll just write, for example, 3. And I will select the option of count. And I will select for all these things. Click over enter. So here we have it. Then we have here, for example, this one I will select 4. Then I will select here the option of max, for example. Then I will select which template. So I will select all this template. And I will click over here, enter. For example, this one, if we wanna put it in if you want to create group by view, create filter view, and we have here insert comment, insert link, and we have insert chart, and we have here create a filter also. So this is how it works with Google Sheets. You can just get started. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.